In today's video, I will walk you through how to reconcile a refund for a paid invoice using a credit note in Xero. Start by going to the Sales section from the top bar of your Xero dashboard. Click on Sales to access the Invoices section. From the Invoices area, locate and select the option for New Credit Note. Once the credit note creation screen opens, select the customer who paid the original invoice and who will receive the refund. Next, enter the required credit note details. Make sure to enter the correct amount for the refund and complete the necessary fields. Review the information you've entered, paying particular attention to the customer details and refund amount. Once everything is correct, click Approve. Approving the credit note finalizes the credit note and records it against the customer's account. That completes the process for reconciling a refund for a paid invoice using a credit note in Xero. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching.